The Island team is proud to present 19 Sportsman Rd, a fantastic waterfront 3-bedroom 2-bath pool home in the beautiful golfing community of Rotonda West, Florida. Centrally located, the home is close to beaches, shopping, Lemon Bay, Minnesota Key, Cape Hayes and Don Pedro Island, and of course the 5 excellent Rotonda West golf courses. The well-manicured front lawn and screened front porch welcome you to the home. Step inside the arched double-door entryway and notice how light and bright the interior is, with vaulted ceilings and open floor plan that flows into the dining area and kitchen. You'll also appreciate the tile floors throughout the main living areas for easy maintenance. Continue through to the well-appointed kitchen, with plenty of cabinet space, all major appliances included, and a breakfast bar for quick snacks or sipping your morning coffee. Open the sliders off the kitchen dining area and let the outdoors in for that Florida lifestyle feel. It's just a few steps to the lanai seating area and pool for easy entertaining. Enjoy family meals in the dining area with plenty of natural light coming in the large window. Relax and unwind in the large master suite, featuring disappearing sliders to the pool, walk-in cedar-lined closet, and a master bath with double sinks. The split bedroom floor plan provides maximum privacy, and with 2 extra bedrooms plus second bath, there's plenty of room for family and guests. Or use one of them for an office, home gym or craft room. You'll also appreciate the convenience of a separate laundry room, with newer washer and dryer included, plenty of storage shelving and counter space for folding clothes. This home is perfect for entertaining outdoors, with the spacious covered lanai and seating area. Enjoy serene views of the canal while sunning yourself, or float the day away in your inviting private pool. The outdoor lifestyle doesn't end there. Wander over the landscaped backyard and you can fish right from the bank and the private dock too. An added bonus is that your irrigation system pulls from the canal. Other additions and upgrades to this lovely home include aluminum shutters for hurricane protection and new enforced garage door, new water heater, new AC in 2015 with 15-year transferable warranty, new washer and dryer in 2017, plus programmable color-changing LED pool lights and new pool screens in 2018. There's nothing left to do but move in and start living the Florida lifestyle you deserve. And you're so close to all the things that make living in Southwest Florida great. Golf, fishing, beaches, boating, shopping, and of course, our famous Gulf of Mexico sunsets. So don't wait. Call the Island team today to schedule your private showing.